How to create a 1920 by 1080 sequence in Premiere Pro. In the bottom right corner of the project panel, go to the new item button and click on sequence, or press Command N on a Mac or Control N on a Windows computer. The new sequence window will appear and you want to go to the settings tab. For editing mode, you want it to be custom. The time base will be your desired frame rate. For me, I'm going to select 23.976 frames per second. For frame size, I'm going to make it 1920 by 1080. The pixel aspect ratio is going to be square pixels. Fields is going to be no fields, progressive scan. Display format, this should automatically match your time-based settings. Since I chose 23.976 frames per second for the time base, the display format should be 23.976 frames per second timecode. In most situations, you would be using 48,000 Hz for the audio sample rate and use audio samples for the display format. For preview file format, if you know the codec of the video files you will be working with in Premiere Pro, you can change it here. If you don't know the video file codecs you are bringing into Premiere Pro and you are using files from various sources of media, I would use iframe only MPEG. Make sure the width is 1920 and the height is 1080. And we can leave the rest of these settings as is. I'm going to go down and give my sequence a name and press OK. And this is how you create a 1920 by 1080 sequence in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.